Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove quick ad on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First thing first, what you want to do is click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen on Snapchat. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to your Snapchat profile. Over here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the setting, it's going to take you to the setting page of Snapchat. Over here, you want to scan a bit down until you come under privacy and control. And under privacy and control, you can see this option called see me in quick ad. Once you see this option, click on see me in quick ad and make sure you turn it off. Now, once you turn off your quick ad, the next thing you want to do is scroll a bit up until you see this option called contacts. Now, once you see the option called contacts, you want to click on contacts. As you guys can see, my contact is over here. And once you're inside contact, the top option where it says share contact with Snapchat, make sure this option is off. So my option is already off, but in your case, if it is turned on, make sure it's off. Once it's off, at the bottom where it says remove synced contact from Snapchat, click on it. Once you click on remove sync contact with Snapchat, click on confirm. And every single contact which was synced with your Snapchat is going to be removed. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do is go back and just close Snapchat and reopen Snapchat. Now all of the settings which you just changed should be applied and your quick ad should be removed from Snapchat. So that's how you guys can remove quick ad in Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time.